All right, just got my charger here, and this is a wireless charger, but you could also charge anything that does not have wireless, because they give you adapters here, and these are magnetic. They give you two different adapters. They give you a type C and a micro USB, so you'll be able to charge a Droid, all right, or the newest iPhone too also. But because you have a newest iPhone, you don't need it. It will be wireless. Now this thing automatically has a built-in charge, so look, you able to touch it here, and it's able to open and close at the same time. And this thing is an attachment for the actual air conditioner. You have to stretch it out and make sure it fits in there. Now connected, it's going to be right underneath of it, and it's very simple. So let's put it together, see how it looks. So you are going to need the cable, a USB type C to type A. We're going to go ahead and plug it in the bottom. You can see we plug it in the bottom, and then you have to stretch this out. So in order to stretch it out, you squeeze it out like this, you twist it, and it stretches out, and then you grab the air conditioner from the back end, right, and then you put it the opposite. So you guys can see it grabbed onto it really good. So we got it set up already here, and then we're going to plug in. Just turn on the power on the car, but look at this beautiful thing. This thing is charging, all right? It does not give out free wireless to the system to charge, but it stays charged, so it can open and close. So if you guys can see, there's a little handheld right there, and there's a motion detecting system in there that detects any kind of phone in there. So right now, if you touch it, look, if you touch it, look at beautiful lighting that goes, and then it closes up. You can see the mechanism and all the connection, on the connectivity and everything. You guys can see it's not recognizing anything until you actually put a phone in there. We are going to put our phone so it can start charging, but look how beautiful this device is, and it's outstanding. It could hold on pretty good because it's on the air conditioner. You can see that. So we're going to open it up, all right? Open it up, then we're going to put our phone in all the way in, and if you guys can see, it starts grabbing and starts charging automatically. So this is very convenient on your air conditioner. It doesn't have anything, it only holds onto your, you could tighten it up, you can move it anywhere you want. Very simple. It starts charging like I said, and then opening it, just touch your finger, take it out, and look at that, automatically closes. Beautiful design, outstanding connection. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.